Hey, welcome back to YT Finance, and today we are talking about NNDM stock, PLTR stock, and BNGO stock. For Nano Dimension stock news, they just announced that they have a new president who will grow the company and help out with future acquisitions. For Palantir stock news, Palantir Technologies just won another $89.9 million contract, which will just add to the myriad of giant contracts that they have landed from very prestigious companies and governments. Then lastly, we have Bionanogenomics stock news due to their Sapphire system being slowly and globally adopted because more and more laboratories and medical facilities are using BNGO's OGM technologies. Go and press the like button right now for more NNDM stock, PLTR stock, and BNGO stock news, and let's make you some free money with Webull. Webull is a free brokerage app where you can buy and sell stocks, options, and cryptocurrencies. But right now, you can get 2 free stocks with Webull. You can get the first free stock, which can be worth anywhere from $2 to $250 for just creating an account. And you can get a second free stock, which can be worth up to $1,600 if you invest $100 or more on your first deposit. You will have a 1 in 100 chance of getting stocks like Facebook, Starbucks, or Snapchat, and you have a 1 in 50 chance of getting stocks like Google or Procter & Gamble. To get this offer, just press on the link in my description box down below, but do it quickly because this offer will not last forever. And without further ado, let's get into today's stories. If you don't know, Nano Dimension is a leading 3D printing manufacturer of electronic devices who recently just got a new president, while their CEO will be officially announced as their chairman of the board once the shareholders vote in the upcoming meeting. Nano Dimension's new president has been the CEO of many successful technology companies that have been involved with the US military and NATO. He also grew one of his companies from $8 million to $330 million in just 5 years, while also helping them through 9 acquisitions. To add to this impressive resume, he was an F-15 fighter pilot for 15 years and is now a well-known international businessman with a global network of resources at his disposal. Mr. Nedivy had to say this about his recent promotion to the president of Nano Dimension, and he says this, and I quote, "Over the last few months, I have looked at Nano Dimension's technology closely as well as analyzed its competitive landscape. Nano has a unique opportunity to change the way entire industries create and produce high-performance electronic parts. Nano's customer base is already impressive, and we are still in the first inning of the proverbial 9-inning ballgame. I am thrilled to join the Nano Dimension team. I look forward to leveraging my expertise and global network to drive our sales and marketing efforts." The CEO of Nano Dimension also came out with a statement that said this, and I quote, "I am very excited to appoint Mr. Nedivy as our new president. He has had extensive global experience in leading and growing innovative technology companies with significant expertise in mergers and acquisitions. The work he did growing Kelstrom Industries, as well as turning around Luminous, are just a few of the many reasons I have recommended to our board of directors to approve him to become president of Nano Dimension. We are extremely well positioned for growth with a war chest of close to $1.5 billion in cash and a technology that is far advanced over our competitors. Mr. Nedivy is the right man for the job and joining our team at the perfect time." So this is great news because the new president has great experience in mergers and acquisitions, which is going to come in handy for Nano Dimension. Across the board, $10 seems to be the price target for this year for NNDM stock, but I still sit at a $25 price target that is momentarily going to happen after a merger or acquisition is announced, in my opinion. Now let's go over and get into our Palantir stock news. Recently, Palantir Technologies has secured an $89.9 million contract from the National Nuclear Security Administration, also known as the NNSA. This is a 5-year contract where Palantir's platform will evaluate reports, provide forecasting, and analyze safety analytics to measure the company's health and safety programs. Palantir's USG president even came out and said this, and I quote, "Our work with NNSA illustrates Palantir's mission to provide software to the world's most important institutions in support of their most critical work." To me, PLTR stock is a sleeping giant. Their average revenue per client has raised over 40% year to date to over $7.9 million per user. Its top 20 clients have an average of over $33.2 million per year. Because of this, a Morgan Stanley analyst has raised their PLTR stock price prediction to a price target of $19 when originally it was at $17. Currently, PLTR stock has 4 sell ratings, 2 buy ratings, and 1 hold rating, with an average price target coming in at $25.83 per share, which implies a 10% gain if you buy PLTR stock right now. The low for PLTR stock is $15 and the high is $40. However, I personally think PLTR will hit $50 this year just because of the magnitude of all of their contracts. As always, Bionano Genomics' Saphyr system is making news headlines for the revolutionary optical genome mapping technology, which has now been adopted across the world in Africa by Indalo Bio. This South African advanced molecular genetics laboratory will use Bionano's OGM system to analyze cancer genomes and solid tumors. One of the main objectives of this company is to bring modern genetic technology to the African continent to make it available to everyone there. The head of genetics at that company says this, and I quote, "I have been following Bionano's progress for years and have been impressed by the correlations of OGM with standard cytogenetics reported in the validation studies that have been published and presented so far. As I am the National Board Examiner for the specialized field of cytogenetics of the Society of Medical Laboratory Technologists of South Africa, my goal is to formally register our Saphyr-based laboratory as a training laboratory for the field of cytogenomics and write OGM into the South African cytogenetic guidelines. Where chromosomal microarray has failed to replace standard cytogenetic testing for cancer samples, I believe OGM has the potential to revolutionize cytogenetic analysis in Africa and the rest of the world." The CEO of Bionano Genomics then responded, and he said this, and I quote, "We believe that the ability of Saphyr to perform a comprehensive and automated analysis of all structural variant types makes access to advanced analysis of structural variation for genetic diseases and cancer more straightforward than ever before." Today is World Health Day 2021, focused on eliminating health inequalities and building a fairer, healthier world. As Saphyr adoption expands around the world, we are proud to be seeing areas like Africa embrace OGM. We believe that the assays Indalo Bio will develop on Saphyr can help democratize access to technology and ultimately help to improve the lives of patients all over the world. Now, the expansion of Bionano Genomics Saphyr technology is absolutely amazing, and it's paramount for the stock price. Speaking of the stock price, the high is about $15. I personally have a price target of around $14. But what do you all think? Remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see all of you in the next YT video.